All right, last section. This is 11.7, surface area and volumes of spheres. Let's go ahead and find the surface area of each sphere. So for A, we have a sphere here, and we want to find out how much can we cover around this entire sphere. So the surface area of this. All that we really need in order for us to find the surface area is going to be the radius here. To find the surface area of a sphere, you just simply need to have 4 times pi r squared. Pi r squared is going to be the area of a circle, and just multiply that by 4. So really simple here. All that we need to do is just substitute our r value with our radius. So let's go ahead and do that. 4 times pi 8, which is our radius, squared. Order of operations, we're going to do our exponents first. 8 squared is going to give us 64. And then since this is all multiplication here, 4 times pi times 64, let's just go ahead and multiply this 4 and 64 together. 64, double of 64 is going to be, what, 128, and then double of 128 is 256. So now we have 256 times pi, which is going to be our solution here in terms of pi. But if we wanted to find out the actual value of this, let's go ahead and pop this into a calculator. If I could find it. Nice. 256 pi is going to be approximately 804.247 is going to be 25. And since this is surface area, this is going to be in inches squared. So we can also put our actual value too. Nice. Let's end it off with B over here. We're going to find the surface area here, but what is given to us? We are given the circumference of this sphere. So if we are given the circumference, remember that circumference equals 2 pi r. And what we're going to need here is to find out the radius, because we need to find out what the radius is, or the diameter, the radius, in order for us to find the surface area. So that's why they gave us the circumference. So let's solve for that first. The circumference here is 12 pi is going to equal 2 pi r. But if we want to isolate the variable r here, what can we do to both sides? Let's divide both sides by 2 pi. That way, on the right side of the equation, the 2's are going to equal 1. The pi's are also going to equal 1. So we're left with the radius equals, well, the pi's on the left side are going to cancel each other out. They equal 1. And then 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6. So now the radius here is 6. So the radius equals 6. So now that we know what the radius is, we can just plug it into our formula to find the surface area. So to find the surface area, what is it? 4 times pi r squared. We know what r is. 4 times pi times 6 squared. And now let's just continue solving this. 4 times pi 6 squared, order of operations, exponents first here. 6 times 6 is going to be 36. And then 4 times pi times 36, well, double of 36 is 72. And then 72, double of 72 is 144. So we have here 144 pi in terms of pi for the surface area of this sphere. Or if we wanted this in, to multiply this out, it's also going to approximate to 452.39 feet squared here. And that's how we can find the surface area of spheres. Okay, that's it, bye.